So, Eddie, we've been doing NFC since 2013, and we introduced foil in 2020, which is what brought Andrew to our door. Now you're rolling out foundational NFC print to the Print3 network. Can you break down the magic of how this works and what actually happens when someone taps this?
Thank you for that, Adrian. Well, for those that don't know what NFC is, it's basically the same technology that you use to pay for stuff in the store. You can tap with your phone or you can tap with your credit card. It's the same tech. We are using that in marketing and sales materials. But I think what drives us is the power that we have when we combine both the backend, which is the software, and also the hardware, which is the production part of it as well. Many companies, they either specialize in one or the other. We do both. So I'll give you an example. We have a Google Review Stands. These review stands are typically used in stores now that you can tap with your phone. And when you tap it, they go directly to the Google Review or the other review aggregator directly. But we have a system where when you tap it with your phone, it goes to a landing page that first asks them basically how well they did, the store did. And if they leave a bad review or if they're disgruntled, it gives us an opportunity, gives them an opportunity to basically file a complaint with the management of the store before they actually leave a bad review. So that's one of the things that we have done. And on the back end of things as well is the idea that we can tie it in with marketing campaigns. So when you tap the NFC, any NFC, it could be NFC business card, could be the review stand with your phone, it can tie in with online advertising. So it can be part of the Google Ads audience, Facebook audience, and that sort of thing. So basically, when you start interacting with marketing pieces or sales collateral that contains NFC, you can actually have a customer base and audience that you can present ads to. So it's very exciting. That mix of technology, we're good at both. And I think that is something that the opportunity that we have at Print3, releasing to all the customers, showing the power of that integrated marketing, I think that will really go far and disrupt the entire Canadian print and marketing industries.